How to create a file upload form in WordPress. Let's say you have a website and you want to give a way to your visitor to share upload their file with you. You can do this easily by following our 3 simple steps. After watching this video, you will be able to create a contact form like this. Hi everyone, I'm Tanvi from 𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃. Let's go to the computer screen. This is our website. Customer can upload easily their file. Our first method, install a plugin in WordPress. Now go to our WordPress dashboard and click plugin, then add new. Now I am searching for a plugin called Forminator. This is our plugin. Now install this plugin. After finishing this installation, then click activate it. This is our first method. Now go to our second method. Create our file upload form. Now go to Forminator, then click Forms. And then click Create. Now here you will different types of form which you can create. I'm going to choose contact form. Then click Continue. And it will ask you to enter a name for your form. So let's enter the name. And click Create. You can see that we have got our form, and as you can see, our form doesn't have any field to upload the files. So next, let's add an upload field. To add the field, all you have to do this, just click insert field, and you can see that we have different types of fields which we can add to our form. Since we want to add file upload field, let's select it and click insert field, and you will get this page. Now if we click apply, here you can see that the file upload field has been added to our. In the same way, you can add any field you want. Once you have added the file upload field, just click publish. So now we have successfully created the file upload form. Once you have created the form, we can now go to the final step, add the form to your website. So add the form to your site. First we need to create a new page. So to create it, let's go to the pages. And click add new. Now here, enter a title for your pages. I'm going to enter Reach Us. Now to add this form to your site, just click the plus icon and search for form. Okay. Then select this block. As you can see, the form has been added. Now click Publish button. Now check that our form. Click View Page. This is our recharge page and successfully add to our site. Now add our page which we have created for our menu. Now click Customize. Then go to menu. Then primary menu. Now click Add Item. Now add recharge page before we create it. Okay guys, after add pages to our menu, then click Publish. Okay. Now click Refresh. After refresh, our menu will be added to our site. Now check our contact form. Fill in details. Now upload our file. Click Send Message. Message sent successfully. Now go to our dashboard and check this message details. Go to Forminator, then Submission. Then click Show Submission. This message will be sent to your customer. And this is our file. So this is how you can create a file upload form on your WordPress website. Now I will show you to increase the maximum size for file upload. Okay guys, now go to Forminator and then form. Okay, this form. Now click Edit button. And scroll, click Upload File. Now click Setting and under File Size Limit, enter the maximum file size. It's depend on your server. Okay guys. Now click Apply. Okay guys, this is our advanced feature method. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any query, please comment it there below.